Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can apply the NS glass effect view to any custom view in native macOS Tahoe 26. So let's get started. So first let me show you guys the output. Here you can see this is the output. So this is my custom view. Now my basically my custom view contains a label, some background color and one button, and to this particular thing custom view I have applied this glass effect. Okay, so let's get started. So first here I have just created my custom view, and if I quickly show you my custom view, here you can see I have taken one title, one action button and one colored box, and here inside init we just call setup view over here, and here I have just set the once layer as true, and here we are adding all the three doors as a sub view, and here we are setting the NS layout constraints for each one of them. Okay, then if I just scroll up, here you can see inside our view controller, view did load, we just initialize our custom view. Then you have to use this NS glass effect view, and to the content view of your NS glass effect view you have to assign your custom view. Then you just set the translate auto resizing as false to your NS glass effect view and add it as a sub view to your parent view, and then you have to set the constraints to the NS glass effect view, which is the user info glass in this particular case. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.